Friends, today's topic is algebraic expression and this is the first part of our chapter algebraic expressions. So let us see what new we are going to learn today in this chapter algebraic expressions. And the total, what do we say, basic about the algebraic expression is dependent on the polynomials. Polynomials. There are three types of polynomials that could be divided into three parts: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Yes, so basic things about monomial, binomial and trinomial I am going to explain you over here in this video, as I have seen lot many students are facing problem in recognizing that which term is either a polynomial, binomial or trinomial. So today your each and every doubt based on that are going to be cleared. So let us start with monomial is an expression with only one term. You can see over here, monomial is an expression with only one term. Yes. Now a monomial is either a constant, that means we can focus on 12, that means only a constant. A variable, you can see a variable, that means other, what we can say, that is x. It could be, if it is only x, then also it is a monomial, or a product of constant and one or more variables. Of a constant and one variables, let us understand example of constant and one variable is 3x. Here 3 is a constant and x is a variable. If it is one constant and one variable, then also it is a monomial. Constant and more variables, then it is constant is 12 and more variables are x, y and z. Here three variables are there, that is also a monomial. Similarly, 15ab is also an example of monomial. I hope you all might be clear. In the end, I will explain you and bifurcate you and give the difference between monomial, binomial and trinomial. So this was the basic about the monomial. Let us begin with the binomial. A binomial is an expression with two terms, separated by a sign either of plus, either of minus. That means two terms and one sign is there, then it is a binomial. In monomial, no sign is there. It could be either constant also or either variable also. I am talking about monomial. In monomial, what we have learned, that is it could be either variable or either constant. That was monomial. Similarly, in the binomial, two terms separated by a sign either of plus, either of minus, then you can say then it is a binomial. Two terms and one sign indicates it is a binomial. Yes, so this is the basic thing I am telling you in a simple way, that how to identify whether the given term is a monomial, binomial or trinomial. Second step, that is a binomial is a polynomial, that is the sum of two terms, each of which is a monomial. That means it is the sum of two terms or subtraction between the two terms. Sum means minus 3xy is a term, their sum should be there as per the integer rule. We know that plus minus minus, that's why minus sign is over here. Yes, I hope you all might be clear. So examples are a plus b. First term is a, second term is b. Separated by what? A plus sign. What do we say? Sum of two. Similarly, 4l is a one monomial, 5m is also one monomial. Sum of two monomials we can find by adding plus sign in between. Similarly, 4 is also a monomial, a is also a monomial. So sum of 2 is a binomial. Similarly, for 5 minus 3xy, z minus 4y, they all are binomials. They are separated by a single sign. Two terms separated, either added or subtracted by a sign, then it is a binomial. That is the basic and the simple thing I have explained. Simply, let us move to the trinomial. A trinomial is an expression containing three terms. Three terms, what we can say? It could be the sum of three monomials. But the basic, as we have understood in binomial, what is there? Sum of three monomials or three terms is said to be as a trinomial. Sum of three, you can see. First term is a, second is b, third is c. Sum of both all the three is said to be as trinomial. Similarly, for x plus y plus z, sum of 3 is said to be as trinomial. I hope you all might be clear with this. If anyone having doubt, then it should be cleared over here only. Again, I am explaining you what is trinomial. three terms added together or the three monomials added or separated by two signs is said to be a trinomial. Three terms, two signs are present, then it is a trinomial. Two terms and one sign is present, then it is a binomial. No sign is present, only term is present, either a constant or variable, then it is a monomial. Two terms, one sign, then it is a binomial. Three terms, two signs are there, then it is a trinomial. I hope now your doubts would be cleared based on monomial, binomial and trinomial. This was just the basic thing about monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now let us understand about like and unlike terms. What are like terms? What are unlike terms? Let us understand it over here. Like terms are the terms that have same variable and powers. The coefficient does not or do not need to match. What does that means? That is, variables or the powers should be same, but coefficients can be differ. Or what we can say, coefficients can differ, but variable and power should be same. Similarly, here you can see in the example 2x and 3x. Here the variable is x and x is having one power. Similarly, in 3x also variable is x and the power of x is 1. So their coefficients are different. Here the coefficient is 2. Here the coefficient is 3. So that's why it is a like term. I hope you all might be able to get it properly. Similarly, for 5xy and 6xy, variables are x and y having one power as 1. Similarly, here also x and y as a variable having one power as individual, but the coefficients are different. Here it is 5xy, here it is 6xy. Only coefficients are differ, but their powers and variables are same. Similarly, for the third example, that is 29ab and 59ab. Here their powers and the variables are same. Variable are ab, variable is ab. Powers of a and b are 1 1. Here also 1 1. Power of variables, but their coefficients are different. That we can say that it is a like term. I hope this concept based on like term would also be cleared over here. Let us begin with the unlike terms. Unlike terms. Unlike terms are two or more terms that are not like terms. The terms which are not like, they are said to be as unlike terms. They don't have the same variable and powers. They don't have same variables and powers. If the variable is differed, then the power does not matter, dear. Similarly, in the example, what we can say, 2ab and 59cd. Here in 2ab, variables are a and b, but in 59cd, you can see the variables are changed. So they are unlike terms. Here the power are matched, but the variables are changed. That's why we can say that these are unlike terms. Why we can say they are unlike terms? Their variables have been changed in both the terms, then it is an unlike term. Similarly, here also in the second example, 2xyz and 5wry. Variables differ in both the cases. That's why they are said to be as unlike terms. I hope you all might be getting it properly, dear. So let us have a quick recall of the things that we have learned. Monomial. Basic thing about monomial, it could be either a variable and a constant, then it is a monomial. Binomial, basic concept is sum of two monomials is said to be as binomial, or in other way what we can say, two terms, one sign, then it is a binomial. Similarly, for the trinomial, three monomials added together are said to be as trinomials, or in other terms, simple way we can say, three terms separated by two signs, then it is a trinomial. Similarly, like terms, that means coefficient could differ, but variables and powers are same, then it is a like term. Unlike terms, variable and powers both differ. It does not depend on coefficient. Coefficient is same or not. If their variables and powers are not same, then it is an unlike term. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. So friends, if you like the content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get updated with the new videos, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching you all.